Our amazing bucket list trip to Greece was slowly coming to an end, and now it was time to fly back to the United States. I'm flying American, and this is my first time taking business class. This was the closest seat map I could find of my flight, and I'm in seat 3 on the left side, and actually, the actual plane had 5 rows in business class. On this close to 12-hour flight, we fly from Athens to Charlotte, and then I took a connecting flight from Charlotte to Austin. Before the flight took off, they let us know that the video equipment was not working, so we would not be able to watch TV shows and movies on the screens.
Almost complete. We are a completely full flight today. So if you are lucky enough to bring more than one item carry-on on board the aircraft, you did agree to utilize that space underneath the seat in front of you for your smaller items.
All right. You already have that choice. You have given it again. Yep.
I ended up buying the Wi-Fi on the plane. I should have downloaded movies and TV shows before, but that's an important lesson for next time. And a couple days after the flight, I got this email from American Airlines customer support apologizing for the video equipment not working. And since I am a travel rewards member, they gave me 10,000 bonus miles. So I thought that was pretty awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.